Hello, this is Nick George with Clouds Diamond Sharpening, just to do a demonstration on new blades. Just want to let everyone know that I do YU weights or next day service by you texting and making an appointment. I do Fort Worth customers. My dad used to do mobile around here, and recently some of my customers showed me some cards of mobile sharpeners hitting my shops, so I just figured I'll help you guys out and you guys don't have to hit none of those crappy mobile sharpeners. There are good ones. My dad was very good, and there are some, but there are some that say they have 22 years of experience and they're only about 30 years old. So that's a lie, and I know for a fact it is. So no one's been trained by Clouds Diamond Sharpening, so if they say they have, they are lying. These are some new blades that I'm going to sharpen up in this video. Okay, so if you want to wait on one scissor, we'll make an appointment, and I'll tell you when to come the next day. If you're there by that time, by usually between 9 and 11, I'll do the scissor while you wait. And it's super easy to pay. You just get an email from me. I need your email information, and you get a secure QuickBook email to you, and you can pay it right there with a bank or credit card. If you want to use PayPal, all you have to do is take the total of the invoice, just email it to diamondedge2015@gmail.com, and it'll pay for it, and you can pick it up. And if you have more than 5 items, you could drop it off in the morning by 9 to 11, and text me to make sure that's available, and I'll do it that same day if it's available. So the reason I'm doing local business now is I'm just trying to help some people out, because there's some sharpeners going around running some blades, and I feel bad for them. So yeah, go ahead and send them on new blades. This blade will cut better than when I take it out of the package. All these blades will. I can sharpen ceramic. There you go, ceramic edge. Ceramic edge. Just go ahead and 5-in-1 cutters, combs. Just go ahead and send them on in. Alright, let's get to work and sharpen these up, and we'll put it in a little time lapse so I don't bore y'all. And yeah, super easy to use my services, and I'll do it all day. See you later. Alright, we're just going to remove these from the package and sharpen them up. A lot of my customers, they buy new blades like this customer, and they just send them to me. Because a lot of my customers say brand new blades cut like crap. So, and I believe them, because when I touch this to my wheel, it's way off, and my wheel's perfect. If you don't believe me, just try me. Yeah, and you'll be happy. If I get enough requests, I've had, I don't know, let's say 10 to 15 customers ask for me to sell new blades that are already sharpened. I'm about to start doing that. If I get a few more requests, I'll probably start doing that. Because new blades are not, well, they are guaranteed sharp if you read the back, but you got to send it back to the manufacturer. You just can't take them back to the store. Some stores will exchange them, but most won't, because they got a warranty on them. So if they don't cut, you send it back, wait 2 weeks, and you get your blade back. Or if you just pay, my fee and just get it sharpened, and it just worked perfect. So it's up to you. So I'm located in Saginaw by Fort Worth, downtown Fort Worth, about 15-20 minutes from there. yeah, and you just drop them off, and it's real simple. I'll take care of it. So let's get to sharpening. There we go, here's after it's sharpened. This is not flat. If this was a flat wheel, it looks flat, but just like the earth, it's not flat. It has shape to it. So yeah, you could sharpen blades on a flat wheel and they may work for about a week, but mine work up to, you know, depending on if you use oil, 2 months to 6 months, and depending on nice. Alright, time to clean these bad boys and get the diamond out of them. Alright, so I resharpened it. Notice the teeth, there's no shiny spot at the corner, and there's still plenty of life. My diamond is very fine and it takes off very little. Alright, let's get back to cleaning. Text or voicemail 682-559-7558. I probably won't answer your call if you're a new customer, but I do accept your text message or email at diamondedge2015@gmail.com all day 24/7. But text me or email me and I'll for sure get back to you. I use this stuff, age 42, if you're wondering what I use. Make it smell like baby butt, and it's good. Good oil, kills AIDS, even though oxygen kills AIDS, I believe. But anyway, it's still some good stuff. Keeps your blades clean and oils them and makes them smell like baby butt. Alright, I test every blade to make sure it cuts. Yeah, so we'll test them. Great, so forward, that's what I'm looking for. Beautiful. Alright, driving for 501s on my Bavaria here, a beard trimmer. Come on. I mean, it don't get no better than that. My job is simple, guys. To get these blades to cut perfectly. That's my job. Alright, send them on to me and make your appointments today. And I'll help Fort Worth out a little bit. Dallas, Fort Worth. If you want to drive, you can just set an appointment and you can drop it off. If you just want to mail, then go ahead and just mail it. And I'll let you know when I receive it.